Welcome to a quick review of the cargo net for the E61 5 Series Touring Sport Wagon Estate, depending on what country you're in. It's currently in what I call cruiser mode. You get the net that locks into these hooks that are up in the headliner. There is some give to it, but should you find yourself at IKEA with a large number of boxes in the back of your wagon, or maybe a couple of furry friends, and you slam on the brakes, nothing will impale you in the back of the head. That's a good thing. In order to enable this mode, you got to fold down the rear seats, and the entire cargo cover slides into the rail in the back of the seats. So here I've slid the rail out, and you can see the slides that are bolted in with the convenient arrow, show you what direction that these tapered area needs to slide into. Moving on back, we have mostly mounted it into the rear. There we go. That same cargo net goes into a different set of hooks in the headliner to create, once again, a barrier from objects impaling you. And this particular piece locks in to the D-pillars. Notice the D-pillars have these black plastic cams on both sides. When you open the tailgate or the glass, these cams lift up, and the cargo cover, under its own spring tension, raises so that you can put objects inside. Let's try it out. So we go to open the tailgate, and you can see the cams released on the side and allowed the cargo cover to slide back so that you can put contents down into here. And because we wouldn't want to have to actually manually pull that cover back to its position, if you close the glass, it automatically powers it back into the correct position. Similarly, if you open this up, it also releases the cargo cover into its open position. You may ask, how does it know when the cargo cover is actually in the guides? There's actually a magnet that's on the end of this rod that's in here, and there's a reed switch here in the D-pillar. That tells the car whether or not the cargo cover is in fact in the open position, and to run the motor, that draws it downwards. That's it for the cargo cover.